Cambodia finds winner to represent Mobile Legend Southeast Asia Cup 2023. Esports in Cambodia has grown significantly, with a series of national and international competitions. In addition, each Cambodian player pays more attention to developing his/her ability to stand out to compete on the international stage. Mobile Legend Professional League National Championship Spring Split 2023 MPLKH Spring Split, organized by Moontun Technology Company, Ltd., supported by the Electronic Sports Federation of Cambodia, EFC, and exclusively sponsored by Sting, successfully handed over the championship to Burn X Flash, who will represent Cambodia in the Mobile Legends Southeast Asia Cup 2023, MSC 2023. The Mobile Legends Southeast Asia Cup is an international competition held annually with the participation of top teams from countries in Southeast Asia. MSC 2023 also has 3 more teams from countries not in Southeast Asia, North America, Turkey, and MENA. And what is more special this year, Cambodia will host MSC 2023. We hope that the Cambodian delegation will do well in the upcoming MSC 2023. Looking back at the MPLKH Spring Split 2023, we see that this season is no different from previous seasons. The top 8 teams of Cambodia competed hard to win the overall season championship. With a total prize money of US $16,000 and a seat to participate in the MSC 2023 Southeast Asian Championship. The event was well attended by esports fans. And in addition to watching the tough competition, the participants also had fun through various entertainment with lots of souvenirs at the Sting beverage stand. This is the 4th season that we still see Sting Drinks continue to support and sponsor esports, both events and teams in Cambodia.